Hi guys, here we've got a GLC 250D. It's a 2018 model. We're going to do the rear brake pad change. So before you go outside and start taking tyres off and doing everything on the outside, we've got to start the car first and release the park brake. So now the park brake is released. Now turn the car off. Now we enter the workshop mode. So with the car off, you click the ignition, which is down here, down there, right there, engine start stop button, until you reach first click accessories. So that's ignition, so turn the car up, and that's first click accessories. So now we hit the core button and the OK button and hold them down pressed together until you enter the workshop menu. So core OK, sorry, you have to enter the trip, make sure the kilometers come up. Now core and OK, keep them held down, and now we enter the workshop menu. So now we simply just scroll down to brake pad replacement, move to the fitting position and press OK. Now you can hear the handbrake winding back, which allows us to go do the procedure at the back. So once the noise stops, and there we go, fitting position has been reached. Now we go outside and fit the brakes on, and when we finish fitting the brakes, we'll come back inside the car. Now we've come outside the car, we're just removing the brake caliper. Just as a normal brake pad change. There you go, caliper is off, and you see the electric brake, park brake on the end of that. Do not unplug anything, you just simply push it back as per normal. And it's as simple as that. So once we get fitting the brakes on this side, we'll move to the other side, and then once they're both done, we'll move inside the car. We're removing the brake pads. You can see that the sensor's touched on the inside. So we're also replacing the brake sensor here. Simply clips in the hole like that.
Don't forget to put grease.
Apply grease to the contact points. And reinstall the brake pad. So and 7mm
Allen key.
Allen key. Plug the brake sensor in there too. And there you go, this side is installed. Now we move to the other side, do the same procedure. And when we're finished with the other side, we'll move inside the car and we finish off inside. Also make sure when you're pushing back the piston at the back, make sure the oil cap is off for the brake fluid, because when you're pushing the piston up, some of the oil might come out. As you can see here, we're not replacing the disc rotors, as we recommend replacing them because they have lips on the outer and inside edges. The customer opted not to change them and just change the pads, but we highly recommend to change the disc while doing the pads, and it is a better option. Don't forget to grease the contact points before installing, like that. Finish the installation, we'll move inside the car. So he says when fitting position is reached, to exit the fitting position press OK. and now you can actually hear the motors winding back. Okay, fidget position has been exited. Confirm OK. Just simply pump the brake pedal, make sure it gets hard. I can start the car up and make sure the park brake works. So pull the park brake up, push it down. Yep, it's working, as you can see there. Now if I pull it up again, double check, it's turned off, and I'll push it down again, it's working. So everything's in working order, and that is how you do the rear brake pad change on a Mercedes GLC. So thanks for watching, and hope this video helps. If you like these videos, don't forget to consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.